Go ahead and connect your black negative to the minus negative symbol. Go ahead and connect your red positive to the positive symbol on your vehicle. This is Loki Thor 12 volt jump starter. Very nice presentation in the box. Comes with a nice little bag, charger, and your alligator clamps. Black is negative, red is positive. So this is the jump starter. Press to turn the power on. You got your battery level. It's going to show your voltage. You got your different modes. And also for your emergency lights, if you need a light, a couple settings on here for that as well. Put your jump starter cables in here. In and out, you got a USB port for charging cell phones and other devices. Overall, very nice design. I like it. It's not so bulky. It's going to fit great in your vehicle. So go ahead and connect your cables on here. Connect your black negative to the black negative minus symbol on your battery, and then connect your red positive to the positive side. Once connected, we can then see our voltage and what our voltage is reading. Now we're gonna go jump start it. Go ahead and connect your black negative to the minus negative symbol. Go ahead and connect your red positive to the positive symbol on your vehicle. Depending on how low your battery is, it might take a while to start or it might start right away. There we go. And just like that,